To check your transaction history on Instapaper, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform and find the information you need. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Instapaper website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, look for your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Navigate to billing. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. View transaction history. Within the billing section, look for an option labeled Transaction History or Payment History. Click on it to see a list of all your past transactions. Step 5. Review details. Take a moment to review the details of each transaction, including dates, amounts, and any relevant notes. If you need further assistance, consider reaching out to Instapaper support. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Instapaper. If you have any questions or need help, don't hesitate to contact the support team.